Toothpaste, the friendly companion to our daily oral care routine, undergoes a fascinating journey from its initial formulation to the moment it reaches store shelves. Let's take a closer look at the production process, step by step. It all begins with the creation of a winning formula for toothpaste. The first step involves combining various ingredients to strike the right balance between effectiveness and user satisfaction. Active ingredients, like abrasives, fluoride, and detergent, play a crucial role in providing oral care benefits. These actives make up a portion of the toothpaste, typically ranging from 8 to 20%. Abrasives, the gritty components in toothpaste, work to polish our teeth, aiding in the removal of plaque, that fuzzy feeling you might have experienced on your teeth. Plaque is a film of bacteria caused by sugars and starches in our food, and abrasives help eliminate it. Fluoride, another key player, not only prevents cavities, but is also believed to contribute to the formation of dental enamel. In the United States, toothpaste usually contains around 1,000 to 1,100 parts per million of fluoride. Detergents or surfactants, such as sodium lauryl sulfate (SLS), are responsible for making toothpaste foam in our mouths. While not all toothpaste foams, this foaming action is said to aid in distributing the paste more effectively. These active ingredients are carefully sourced, transported, and quality tested before being placed in enormous silos, ready for the next stage of production. Once the active ingredients are ready, the formulation process continues with the addition of inactive ingredients. These ingredients enhance the toothpaste's texture, appearance, and taste. Imagine the smoothness of the paste, the color, and the delightful flavor, all influenced by these inactive components. They are sourced, quality tested, and stored alongside the active ingredients. Barcodes play a crucial role in keeping track of the ingredients in toothpaste batches. Every aspect of the production process is meticulously monitored by the dedicated staff to ensure consistency and efficacy of the final product. Accuracy is paramount during the weighing and measuring of ingredients according to specified proportions. The weighed active and inactive ingredients then journey into a large industrial mixer, where they unite to create a homogeneous blend. This ensures an even distribution of components throughout the toothpaste. Water is introduced to the mixture to achieve a paste-like consistency. The water used is quickly purified and deionized to eliminate any impurities that could affect the stability of the toothpaste. The mixture undergoes a wet grinding process to further homogenize the ingredients and attain the desired smooth texture. This step not only ensures consistency, but also reduces particle sizes, guaranteeing a fine and uniform product. Flavoring agents, such as mint or fruit flavors, are introduced to enhance the taste of the toothpaste, making it more palatable. Mint, with its refreshing quality, is the most common flavor used in toothpaste. The association of mint with freshness has been ingrained through long-term conditioning by the toothpaste industry. Mint flavors contain oils that volatilize in the mouth's warm environment, imparting a cooling sensation. With the base formula in place, it's time to add colors to the toothpaste. Although these colors don't contribute to the toothpaste's active properties, they play a crucial role in its visual appeal. Research and development efforts are invested in determining the design and colors of these stripes, as consumer preferences often lean towards the stripy variety over plain white toothpaste. The chemical composition of the coloring mixture ensures it is safe for human use. Stabilizers and thickeners are incorporated to maintain the toothpaste's texture and consistency throughout its shelf life. Common stabilizers include cellulose gum or carrageenan. Quality control tests are conducted throughout the manufacturing process, checking for consistency, pH levels, fluoride content, taste, and other specifications. Any deviations from the required standards are corrected to uphold the product's quality. Once the toothpaste successfully passes all quality checks, it is ready to be transferred to tubes through an automated filling process. Toothpaste tubes undergo checks and cleaning, involving astringent blowing and vacuuming processes to remove any dust and particles. After these preparatory steps, the tops of the toothpaste tubes are sealed, leaving the bottom ready for the filling process. Paste and tube unite through a specialized filling machine, which rotates the tubes in place before pumping the paste into each individual tube from above as they move along a conveyor belt. Following the filling process, toothpaste tubes are placed into boxes or cartons, marking the final stage of production. These boxes are then prepared for shipment and distribution to retail stores, where the toothpaste eagerly awaits its journey to our homes and into our daily oral care routines. In conclusion, the production of toothpaste is a meticulous and fascinating process that involves the careful combination of active and inactive ingredients, precise measurements, and quality checks at every stage. From the formulation of a winning formula to the filling of toothpaste tubes, each step contributes to the creation of a product that has become an integral part of our daily lives. So the next time you squeeze that toothpaste tube, take a moment to appreciate the journey that brought it to your toothbrush. Thanks for watching.